Nano-X Imaging Limited stock is skyrocketing, currently up about 72% in this pre-market of the 5th of April 2021. As you can see, it's up 72.49%. Closed the session of the 1st of April at 41.33. So over the course of the extended session on Friday and that 1st of April, it has continued to extend. The news out there is that, according to Benzinga, you must have heard yourself, shares are trading higher after the company announced on Friday the 2nd of April its single source Nano-ARC digital X-ray technology has received 510k clearance from the FDA. Nano-X engages in developing and producing X-ray source technology for the imaging industry in the United States. Its X-ray source is based on a novel digital mechanical system in semiconductor cathode. So going down here, we can see that 1.5 million shares have already crossed the tape. Let's see if we can validate that. No, this is only the 1 minute live session. It doesn't give us the total volume of shares. So what you're looking at right now is the live session for Nano-X Imaging. Even though it is up 72.27%, it has just been consolidating, trading sideways. The MACD is not indicating any direction. It's just very much neutral because of the consolidation that has been occurring. Momentum is still holding things up there at 86.40. So it's now slightly up 71.30 from the session of the 1st of April 2021. So that was a live value we just gave you there. We can see also that as of that session, this stock was just right on the money, trading below all of its trend lines, and certain market participants obviously would have or are currently taking advantage, or those who took advantage are definitely handsomely rewarded. But we keep seeing this trend with biotech stocks and pharmaceutical stocks. They are, from time to time you see them trading below all of their short-term trend, all of their trend lines, presenting an excellent buy the deep opportunity. This has been taken care of, and I bet me market participants are scouring the screeners to find out the stocks, and they do find them out. And it says the momentum for Nano-X is improving. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors begin to purchase shares, and the unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. But all of that are based on the daily model. They're not exactly what is going on right now in the live session. So we're going to leave this and continue with what's going on live right now. So it's very much, the chart is very much, well, not very much inactive as a matter of fact, but things are moving. It's currently up 7.97%. Yes, a lot is going on right now, but we're not seeing very much of that. So it's interesting. Let's have a look and see if we're going to find out anything concerning its short interest. So its short interest is saying it is 6%, 6.03%. It decreased by 22%. So who knows whether this was as a result of what is going on right now in this live session of the 5th of April 2021. So it's been quite quiet for a few seconds now. So it's just holding things up at 70.60%. Yes, if we have to look at the 5-minute model, we'll see what's going on there as well, even though it's not as frequent as the 1-minute model. It still has something to show. We can see it's much more dramatic, a lot more dramatic. We are not seeing all of the sort of consolidation we're seeing with the 1-minute model. We are currently looking at a gain of 68.76 now, losing some value there. So let's have a look at the 10-minute model. The 10-minute model is also pretty much the same, pretty much like what we have on the 5 minutes. So Okay, let's try one more, the 30-minute model. Okay, nothing there at all. We return to the daily model. The daily model is showing what we saw earlier on, at the stock trading below all of its trend lines. Currently it doesn't have a long-term trend line, probably because it hasn't been trading for quite some time. So it only has short and intermediate trend lines. You can't see, based on what we're using now, based on this tool from Charles Schwab, the smart street edge, you can't see any 200-day trend line at the moment. In the coming weeks, that might surface, but currently Nano-X is up 70.34% now. We can see what's going on. This is the 1-minute model of the live stream. This is, for some reason it's now presented us a better picture of all the consolidation and how they have traced out. We can see it's very much a consolidation, but at the same time, market participants may have been scalping things out here. So it currently has a short interest of 6%. We don't exactly know whether that is going to change by the time the market opens in about an hour or thereabouts. So Nano-X Imaging currently up 69.42%. Going to receive a clearance from the FDA very soon. So that's what's going on with Nano-X. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.